Welcome to Cathay Pacific Flight 828. 777 300 center range for Hong Kong, and he's coming on Quebec. He's coming close.
Tommy just got pulled over.
Sunwing? Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. Here comes Cathay Pacific. Let's listen to those engines.
Awesome view of the engine.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Look at that. Holy
I don't know if you zoomed it to the engine's amazing.
Yeah, the G9 looks good. Oh wow, the police officers are going.
They pulled over.
Behind us. Nice. Let's take a look behind us. The cops. Bravo, Charlie, Bravo, Kilo.
That's huge, man. That's huge.
Told you you'd want to come out here.
I know.
Look at this. Wait till he takes off. Holy cow. Oh, the cops are on the side of us too. That's funny. Alright, here comes the takeoff. This is gonna be great. Oh yeah, he's fully loaded too. Holy cow.
How do you know if it's overloaded?
Because he flies to Hong Kong, they always fully load him. Here you go. Engines spool up. Wait. Here we go. Engines spool up. Initiate toga. Take off. Oh yeah, the shutters are cooking. Here comes the wind. It's really close. No way! No way, it's a 77, my two go around!